Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to another video. If you are here watching this video, it is because you decided that Go High Level was not a good fit for you. You decided that maybe you don't have the budget, the $97 a month to invest in your business just yet, and that is okay. Acuity Scheduling is a great fit for all of you. It keeps things simple, it keeps things easy. It allows you for people to book you for your one-on-one services. It allows people to book you for your event classes. And in my opinion, it is the best event scheduler or online scheduler out there compared to others, like for example, Calendly. Another thing that I want you to know is that we will always recommend the tools that we are using for our business, for the Healing Tree Collective. And so far, this Acuity Scheduling, this group online scheduler, has been battle tested. It has been proven. It has gotten us through so many different accommodations for our practitioners that we serve at the Healing Tree, and again, by far has been the best. If you are here and you decided to go with Go High Level and you did make that investment, you don't have to watch this video. Otherwise, you'd probably be doing double work. So FYI, if you are watching this video and you invested in Go High Level, you can just skip this entire module and spend and invest your time learning more about Go High Level. The other thing that I want to mention here is their pricing plans. All right, so we have two options here, which I would recommend you considering, either the emerging plan or the growing plan. Both of these plans would be a great fit for you. Really, the biggest difference is this right here, is what I see being the text message reminders that you don't get in the emerging plan until you upgrade over to the $34 a month plan. All right, make sure that you switch this over to pay monthly. I'm assuming you would most likely want to pay this monthly versus paying annually. You do get that discount if you are able to pay for the full year up front, which is great if you have that in your budget. The other thing that I see here being important is being able to sell subscriptions, memberships, and then also in order to create payment plans, you need to have the appointment packages. All right, so unless you're ready to start doing that already now, then I would start off with the emerging plan until you start to set those things up and you're ready to make your money back, because you're going to spend the extra $14 a month, which is really not that big of a difference. But if you're also not making that money back by taking advantage of those extra features, then you might as well just stay on the emerging plan. The other thing that I'm a really big proponent about is being able to remove the Acuity branding. I am big on that. I love always to be able to remove any sort of external branding. That way it's always branded to you. It always looks seamless. It always looks professional. And that does make a huge difference when you're putting yourself out there in an online space. And the last thing that I'll mention is that Acuity Scheduling is ran or managed by Squarespace. Okay, so Squarespace does own Acuity Scheduling, and so if you see anything regarding Squarespace while you're using Acuity Scheduling, now you know why. All right, so throughout this module, I am going to walk you through step by step how to set up your Acuity, how you would want to set it up for your business if you are offering one-on-one services and you are also doing group events. I'm going to walk you through step by step, configuring all those settings and get you going so that you can start booking your one-on-one services, so that you can start booking those group classes and you can start making that money. All right, you guys, so if you have any questions so far, please feel free to reach out in the community, and I will catch you guys in the next video.